Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in today's video we will be showing you Topia, the animal hotel that we made. Me, Jenny, and Eve made. Look, there's one guinea pig. Where's the other one? Taffy! Yeah, Taffy's probably in her bed. Let's go have a look. Yeah, she's in her bed. Clever guinea pig. And guys, there's Molly. Guys, it's summer. It's a warm summer day. And yeah, we decided to take my guinea pigs outside. We got this. This is how we built it. So we got this little now here. For Molly. Molly's my cousin's rabbit, by the way. We wanted to see if my guinea pigs could make friends. Taffy was... so we put Patch in first. Well, Patch walked in and made really good friends with Molly the rabbit. Look, over there. So, and Pat and Taffy, when she went in, she just stayed there like, yeah, I'm not going up to the rabbit. I'll munch the grass and stuff like that, but I'll not go to the rabbit. Okay, I'll just see if I can get Patch to Molly. Okay, so see you in a sec. Guys, it's done. Look at them. They're being such cuties. They've got water over here, by the way. I put the guinea pig's water in a bowl for a change. And yeah, I'll go get Jenny. Okay, guys, so Jenny's here. And Taffy's inside the bed. Patch is inside Molly's bed, so we've got really nothing to do.
Apart from look at Molly.
Apart from seeing Molly.
Hello. Hello. Molly.
Oh! Patchy, what are you doing?
And there goes Patch. I'm just fixing up those cage. Ow.
Shall we open cage door here?
And for this, because this one was the one that hurt me, not that actually.
Yeah, no, I'm opening this one so we can see Molly and Pat more.
Hi, Molly. Hello.
There's gonna be more to it. There's gonna be more like runs in a bit.
Yeah.
And yes, these animals are so cute.
Yeah.
Find them absolutely adorable. They're so cute. And we might leave this out and the run out for like a day. I'll put the food and water, my guinea pig's food, water, and one of the shelters back in their cage.
I'll put Molly's water, her food, and her food and her potty back in the cage.
Yeah, and then we'll add them in again tomorrow. But that's tonight, aren't we? We're going to do that tonight because we like the animals. Also having fun here. And yeah, they don't want to be out here for night. Who knows, they might in the future. And now whenever I come to Jenny's a few times, we're here for like a month, for like a few months. But when we come here, just for like the odd few visits, once every few times, I'll bring both my guinea pigs and they can see Molly.
Yeah, but this time you're definitely bringing the guinea pigs.
Yes.